Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I am going to be reviewing a gift I got. I know that sounds terrible, but it's a tech gift, and I'm going to use it on my channel, and I'm very excited. It's the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. So I have honestly never even seen this before. I have no idea how to operate it or work it, but I'm super excited. The person who gave it to me was telling me that it can like move around and zoom and do like super cool like panning effects and just be like a way more mobile, less static way to film. So I'm very excited about this. As you guys know, I'm kind of increasing my equipment on this channel. I have nothing like this, so this is really cool. As you guys also know, I'm not exactly what one would call super tech savvy. Don't have my finger on the pulse, as it were, but you know, I'm firmly in the late stage technology adopters category, and I like it here. It's comfortable. But that being said, I'm going to look up how to use this, but not until after I open it up and try to use it. So basically, part of my reviews are for people like me, not people who have already done all the research and everything and know how to use it before it even comes out of the box. You know, people that want to open it and figure out how to use it, because I think usability is a big part of a decent review. So I'm going to see if I can get this open and get it going correctly. And then if not, then I will have to look up how to do it. And I will look up how to do it later anyway, just because I'm sure there's like really cool tricks that I can learn. But just to start with, we're just going to open it up, see what's in here, see what it comes with, and see if we can get it hooked up. But I will link it below down in the description along with my socials. I'll write a little review about this, about how it worked for me. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully you find it helpful. And here we go. Okay, so I just cut the little tab thingy and I am opening it up. This looks exciting. We'll pull this out first. And then I would assume these are cables. That's honestly the most daunting part of getting something on this channel. Then you have to like figure out how to open it on camera. And this is like a very intense packaging. Ah, there we go. It's one of those things where you're like, I swear I'm smart and I can't open it. All right, we have a lot of stuff in here. Goodness. Okay. What is that? Anti-slip pads to secure mobile phone to the phone holder. Okay. So we've got those. We've got this, which is little tripod. Cute. That's adorable. That's super cute. Okay. So we've got that. I'm going to put that back in its case. And then we've got lots of things still in here. Oh. Hey, come on. Whoops. Okay. I'll bring a chair over because I'm dropping things right and left. 1 second. Oh, here we go. Never mind. Okay, that's empty. Wrist holder. Squishy thing. Probably a carrying case. Yep. Nice little carrying case, wrist holder, which I'm going to put into the carrying case. And let me grab what I dropped. Tripod also going into the carrying case. And this is a cord with an adapter, USB, and what looks like it will fit into my phone. So awesome. Or at least the device. Oh. Also dropped my sticky things. Okay. Now that that is all safe in the little bag, we're going to go on to the main satchel, which is a really cool carrying case. It's kind of a hard case. It's got a nice little compartment on the back. Gotta open it up. That's so cool looking. That's like super cool. Okay, awesome. This thing is insane, man. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That's cool. That's like a 360 rotation. Okay, awesome. So it's got the little place for the USB to go in there. I'm assuming it needs batteries, right? Maybe? Maybe not. Maybe it's just powered off your phone? We'll find out. We're gonna give it a go. So back into the carrying case we go, because this is clearly for the tripod. So far I've not had to read instructions, and I appreciate that. So far I've not seen instructions, but the fact that I can like clearly tell where things go just by looking at them means it's a good product design. I like that. So there we go. Now it properly looks like a little robot. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what's next. Probably the cord. We're gonna plug that in. Okay, and then, well, that doesn't make sense. The cord just plugs into itself? It can't be right. There's no way. I did something wrong. Am I gonna have to read the instructions? I might have to read the instructions. That's unfortunate. The cord fits really well there though. It just doesn't make sense that it would be a closed loop like that. So, let me find instructions and figure out how to get this to work, but so far it's pretty cool. Okay, I didn't see instructions, but I do have this, and this seems to be going to a little like computer interface thing. So I'm just going to plug my USB into a cord and plug it into the wall. Oh, and little lights started flashing. I think that was a good call. You see the little lights? There we go. And yeah, maybe it just has to like charge, and then you hook it up to this, and then it rotates around. Not entirely sure how that works, but for now, at least we'll get that charging. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a couple minutes charged up, and then we will see what happens from there. Okay, so I completely caved and just Googled how to work this thing. Like, I just put in the name of it and then how to. I watched a video that was, I'm pretty sure by the company, super helpful, really short. I didn't know I needed an app to work it, but I downloaded the app, and so far it looks pretty cool. I will link that video I used or watched down in the description. Would not have been able to figure it out without this video. So very helpful, definitely watch that. Basically you have to download an app, register, log in, and then I'm gonna have to balance my phone in here. Tells you how to do it. And then apparently it has a bunch of really cool functions. So it's charging right now. Hopefully it'll have enough of a charge that we can do it. But basically I'm just gonna get my phone in here so it's completely balanced. So set this on a surface and then balance it, and then it should be good to go. So I'm gonna try that. I don't know, maybe I'll try to film while I do it. I don't know if it'll work. The cool thing is, and I don't know how well this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. The app has its own like video recording thing. So I will be recording from their app and not just my camera. Well, not my camera at all. So we'll see how that works. Hopefully that works well, but we're gonna switch to that. Oh, this thing is way cool, way cool. So first off, it's got a gimbal function, which means I can like rotate it pretty crazily. And it does a fairly decent job of just smoothing out all the bumps and trying to keep the camera focused on my face, which is awesome. I can manually move it, which is great, and bring it back to center. I can do this. And then there's a trigger which does sports mode and a couple other modes, zoom function. This thing's awesome. This thing has so many different functions. It's really cool. The video I watched was super helpful, would not have been able to do it without that video. So yeah, this is a really neat little gadget. So I pulled the tripod up so I could hold it. I tried it. It doesn't do its like gimbal-y thing unless the phone's connected, because it connects to the app and it knows that the phone's in there. But basically you just put the phone on and center it, and then this will move it around. When I was just doing this, it was like self-adjusting. So this is super loose right now. When the phone's in there, it actually like gets some tension in it. But like as you move it, it adjusts the phone. That's when I like got really wonky and moving. I was like doing this with it, and it was kind of trying to correct for that, which was awesome. Like I said, the manual movements, this double tapping once does something, double tapping twice like changes it horizontal versus vertical, which is cool. You got the power button, which just switches between photo and video. You've got this trigger on the back. You've got the zoom functions. This thing is awesome. This thing is super cool. I already only know like a third of what it can do, and it's super impressive. So yeah, thanks for joining me on this very untech tech review. But yeah, this is a great little device, even for people who aren't super tech savvy like me. You can figure it out because I did, and this is gonna be a total game changer. This is seriously awesome. I love this thing, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.